Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Microsoft 365 account has Excel Copilot active, because permissions unlock the features you need. Once done, open the workbook and immediately select the primary data range so Copilot can reference it. Make sure to convert large ranges to a named table. This improves formula accuracy and dynamic references. Then, enable the Copilot pane from the Home ribbon and the Ideas pane for suggestions. Now you're ready to ask a focused question and get actionable outputs. You now ask Copilot a specific task. For example, summarize sales by region, create a pivot table, or build a dynamic formula, because specificity yields accurate results. After Copilot generates formulas or visuals, inspect the preview pane and check cell references and aggregation types before accepting changes. If results aren't exact, use short edit prompts to tighten filters, change groupings, or switch aggregation from sum to average. This iterative loop refines outputs and teaches Copilot. You finish by inserting the final tables, charts, or formulas into the sheet, and then decide whether to lock formulas or convert results to values for stability. Make sure to document key assumptions in a cell or comment so collaborators understand choices later. If something goes wrong, first check data types, table names, and that Copilot has permission to access the workbook. Often mismatched types or unnamed ranges cause errors. If needed, rerun a narrowed query to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.